गोवा प्रो लीगात फुटबॉल खेळगडे फिक्सिंग करतात म्हणून शापोरा युवक संघाच्या अध्यक्षान आपल्या 7 खेळगड्या आड कागाळ केल्या. GFAचो अध्यक्ष कायतान सांगता ते प्रमाण हे विशयी 7 खेळगड्यांक कारणां दाखय नोटीस धाडल्या.
आता आम्ही ऑलरेडी तांकां जेन्ना शापोरा युवक संघान दे हॅव सेंड अ लेटर टू अस GFA, वी हॅव इमिजिएटली सेंड टू ऑल 9 players शोकस नोटीस and we have given them 7 days time to reply it. And then once the reply come from player, we will send, we have a committee as a GFA, all football federation, we have a committee, disciplinary committee, and it is headed by a retired judge. So Kamath is there, and he is a very well experienced and full, all lawyer also are there. They will take prompt action whatever, and they will submit to the exco, and we will take a immediate action as a GFA and entire my committee working very hard. आणि हे आमचे गोंयचे भुरगे or anywhere who is involved in this match fixing, we will not tolerate. As a person, as a GFA president, and personally also, I will not tolerate this. I will go depth, means who, what connection they have, and we will find out who is involved in this. And I am telling you on behalf of my entire executive committee, we will ban them.
प्रुडंटा खातीर ओंकार फळारी.